Hello there. Can we connect Wix.com to Shopify? The answer is yes. So first thing first, you gotta have an active Shopify account and a fully published Wix website. From your Wix Answers integrations page, add the Shopify app and enter your shop name. In the Wix Answers app, go to Settings, go to Tools, and then Integrations. So you have to enter your Shopify shop, its name, and leave this page open. So note, your shop name appears in the Shopify URL. Okay, so I will paste another link to the description on how are you going to connect your Shopify account to your Wix website. Okay, so please hit the like button and subscribe and click the notification bell